OH Killer pulls aggressively ahead in the votes. There's not much that his opponent can do about it now. Are we gonna see the first
Oh my god, he does it! Coded cuts through in his deck!
It is over! OH Killer is progressing to the next round.
Oh Eugene, I don't pay you to sit here with this stupid look on your face, okay? I need this settled yesterday. Clients are asking for it. Get it done by tomorrow morning, alright?
But boss, it's already 7
Look, give you some time. Get it done by tomorrow afternoon. And we'll call it a good job, alright?
Yes, boss.
Good.
Hey, Lucas.
Hey Eugene, I got tickets to the new heist movie, but my date pulled out. You wanna come?
I can't. My boss has got me working an all-nighter.
Come on man, the Buck twins are doing hand doubling for some characters in a movie.
The Buck Twins? That's a name I haven't heard in a very, very long time.
Yeah, exactly. That's why you should come.
But I would love to, but I really can't. I just have too much work.
Oh please, come on. Eugene, it's been so long since I've seen you. I miss you so much. What if I cross the road and I get run over by an e-scooter and then I get paralyzed from the...
Okay, boy. Stay here, wait for mommy, okay? I'm going to do some work.
Miss Heng, hi!
Hello!
Good afternoon. Please come in. We've got some really good ideas for the campaign.
Oh, I'm
Please take a
excited to
seat.
hear it.
Eugene, go get some drinks.
Yes, boss.
So Miss Heng, to reach out to your target demographic of 15 to 25, we've decided to utilize some type of performance arts. So our first idea is to use skateboarding, to represent how fast and exciting your 5G network is.
Skateboarding is very commonly used nowadays in ad campaigns. Is there something else, another activity?
Oh yeah, of course we have many ideas. The next idea we have is to utilize hip hop dancers. They're cool, they're hip. They have a lot of vibrancy and energy, just like your 5G network.
How about... It's interesting what they're doing out there. Do you see that?
Oh yeah, that was what we're going to suggest next. Yep, we can do that as well. No issues, for sure.
Okay, why don't we develop an idea along those lines?
Sure, let's do it. No problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Great, thank you. This was easy.
Great, thank you.
Thank you. So, did you have fun?
Yes, mommy.
Yeah?
Bye bye, Coco. Thank you for teaching me a trick.
No problem.
Hey Eugene, saw you doing that card thing, yeah? Miss Heng really likes it. She wants it to be part of the new 5G ad. So this means this is now your job.
But boss, I already have
No, I don't care about how much you have on your plate, but how much time you have. Just get it done.
Yes, boss.
Close that mouth of yours. Be funny if the card drops into your mouth, wouldn't it?
Dude, your boss sounds like a jerk.
I know, right? And on top of all the other work I have, he drops this Cardistry project on me. I'm so stressed out.
Okay, but you can't deny that deep down, a little bit of you is excited to make this Cardistry video. Finally bringing Cardistry to the mainstream.
That
I mean, given your history.
no way, that's so long ago.
Wait, but can you even do Cardistry?
The ad doesn't need me to do it.
Oh no, I know. But can you? I'm not talking about those easy stuff like what the worm, a hot shortcut, or Shadia, none of that.
I don't know, probably.
Well, one way to find out.
What?
Dude. Well,
Oh, it feels familiar?
come on, do something.
Like what?
I don't know, spring maybe?
Alright.
Yuck, that was disgusting, bro. I guess, okay. Nice. Yo, okay. Do the big one.
No, it's not that easy, you know?
Just try. You got this, come on.
Okay. Look. I can't do it, man.
Yo, don't mind them, bro. If only they could see you back then. Man, with enough practice, you're almost there anyway. Give it one more shot. Just one more. You got this, bro. You got this. Come on. Oh, yo! And he does it! The one that killed us, the champion of the universe! Woo! 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 You did it, bro!